Friends, I am telling you the 8 step by which following you can make a good relationship with anyone. I use anyone, it means not for the couples only, but to our colleague, to our friends, to our family members. So let's explore it. Step number first: don't criticize, condemn or complain. Friends, we human being never want to be criticized, condemned or complained by anyone. We, by our nature, the nature of human being, we always waits for some appreciation. So if you want to become a, if you want to make a good relationship between the people, then you should always avoid criticize, condemn or complain. Second thing, give honest and sincere appreciation. It means people, as I told you earlier, that people are hungry of love and appreciation. So we should try to give sincere appreciation to the people. What do you mean by the sincere? Sincere means honest appreciation, the appreciation which really feel or make them feel good. We should not appreciate anyone that seems to be flawed, or he or she feels flawed, that he is only appreciating, or he is appreciating for his mean. So we should always appreciate sincerely. Third step is become genuinely interested in other person. Friends, we like those person who are interested to us. So we should always genuinely interested to the other persons. We should talk or behave. We should talk in the interest of other person's interest. So we should always try to become genuinely interested in other persons to build our relationship more alive. Fourth is smile. Friends, smile is a best, I can say best way of communication or best way of starting the communication. If you are passing a smile to anyone, means you are welcoming to other to talk with you. So smile plays a big role in your relationship. So keep smiling and keep welcoming the other persons. Fifth, person's name is the most sweetest and important sound in any language. Friends, if you want to make a good relationship with the people, then you have to make command on their name. We have to learn the other's name. Whoever we met, we have to learn their names, because when you will meet again to those persons who met rarely to us, and if we call their name, and if we call their name by hello someone, how are you, then if he listen his name by you, then he will understand that, oh, he learned my name, and then it helps us to make a good relationship between the people. So make sure that if you are meeting someone new people, then make sure that you have learned their name. Six, be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves. Friends, no one wants to talk about others. No one wants to listen to the others. If you want to make a good relationship, then you have to encourage the front person to talk about themselves, because if the person is talking about themselves, then they feel happy, then they feel important. So it is our duty to encourage others to talk about themselves and make our relationship more reliable. Seventh, talk in terms of other person's interest. Friends, as we want to make good relationship, so we have to talk in terms of other person's interest, because there is no any connection with my interest. He is interested or she is interested in only his or her interest, so we should start talking to them in his or her interest only. So when we will start talking, then he will become genuinely interested to talking with us, and this will help to make a good relationship. 8th, make the other person feel important. Friends, if we make any other person feel important, then he or she will feel happy and feel happy to talk us, and there is more chances that he will try to talk in next time. So our duty is to make other person feel important during our conversation.